set Lyra to music mode.
First you see it, then you know. A warm hug from a cozy glow. A spot to work, a place to dream. A moment of zen when you want to scream. A relaxing wind down or a passionate delight. A touch of magic in the night. The way a house becomes a home. That's something special of your own. Nanoleaf Elements. Design your personal oasis.
Setting up your Nanoleaf 4D screen mirror kit is a quick and easy process with just a few simple steps. But it's important to ensure that you calibrate your 4D camera as accurately as possible to ensure the best results and the most accurate mirroring effect. Whether you're just setting it up for the first time or have experienced any issues with suboptimal accuracy, here are some great tips and tricks to optimize your 4D kit for the most accurate and incredible viewing experience. 4D works best in low light environments, so make sure to close any curtains or turn off any other ambient light sources. This will also prevent any of the light sources from reflecting off the screen and obstructing the screen's content, leading the camera to capture an inaccurate picture. When mounting your camera above the TV with the included mount, tilt the mount to a lower angle to make sure that the camera can see the whole screen. This is especially important for larger screens. Moving on to the calibration step, always make sure to turn on your TV while calibrating so the screen contrasts against the frame and the corners are easier to locate. If you're still having issues, here are two great tricks to try to improve the accuracy of your calibration by enhancing the visibility of the corners. If you have a smart TV, play this tutorial video on your TV and pause at this frame. This way, you'll easily be able to locate the correct regions for all 6 calibration points. Open the calibration screen and then turn on the flashlight on your phone. Hold your phone at the corner of your screen with the flashlight facing towards the 4D camera and press the refresh button to allow the camera to capture this image. You can then move the corresponding calibration point to the exact place on your screen where you see the flashlight showing in the captured image. Repeat this for all the corners for the most accurate calibration. And finally, try moving all of the calibration points slightly closer together and farther away from the edge of the screen to reduce the room for error. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to enjoy the ultimate 4D experience with your favorite movies, shows, and console games. Have fun!